Hi, everyone. This is Dolores Sherman with Helping Others Progress Economically. So, I wanted to show you how important it is to open your mail. Whether you're doing your own credit repair or if you're hiring a professional like me. So, this client's started with me in February. And you can see we did a couple of rounds of repair and got his credit scores in the 600s, 650s. I really thought that this was going to be the month I was going to be able to send him to the lender. And in addition to him getting approved, the lender was also going to give him a $500 credit, you know, because he used my services. So it was supposed to be a win-win, get almost 50% of the money back, and then also get approved for the mortgage loan. And now we've got to wait at least another 30 days because a new collection account was added to his report. This collection company only does business with TransUnion and Experian, which is why Equifax wasn't affected. But as you can see, it dropped his scores 132 and 133 points, respectively. You've got to open the mail. And if you're working with a company, you've got to stay in touch with the person that you've hired to help you achieve your credit goals. I'm not sure how this got by the client, but the law says that they are supposed to notify you in writing 30 days before something appears on your report. And when I sent the client the monthly video review, because if your credit specialist isn't breaking down your credit report to you on a monthly basis, you might not be working with the right company. You should probably be working with me. But what I showed him was that this got sent to the collection agency on October 3rd, and on November 18th, they added it to his credit report. So now we're just going to work to get it off. But this should have been an amazing Thanksgiving with him being able to surprise his family with how he got approved for the mortgage and, whatever the down payment assistance was going to look like, getting back half the cost of the credit repair. Like, this should have been a totally different scenario. The other thing that I want to share with you, and I can't open up his entire credit report to you. You have to trust me when I say this. There's a lot of inaccurate information out there about what's needed to boost your credit scores. This gentleman has no credit cards, none. Now, granted, if he added them, his credit scores would probably go into the 700s, but you only need a 640 to get approved. So, why this is perfect is because now there's no barrier to his debt to income ratio. Nobody has to tell him to pay these credit cards down. There was no potential for late payment history to impact his score. When you're going to work with somebody, you need somebody that really understands what they're looking at, not just somebody who can robotically send out letters for you. You can do that for yourself. So I just wanted to point out those two things. Make sure you're looking at your mail, and two, make sure that you're really understanding your credit report. If you have any questions, reach out to me. The page is Helping Others Progress Economically, and my first-time homebuyers program is called There's No Place Like Home. It's an all-inclusive homebuyers club. Everything from A to Z, from the time we start the credit repair process straight through to the closing. I'm there with you, just like Toto was with Dorothy. How about that? All right. I hope you learned something from this. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you.